Good afternoon to the Kringle community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. Happy Monday to every one of us. It will be a wonderful week for us all. Guys, this is another wonderful Monday, another beautiful day, a day that is unique to the Kringle community. Guys, a quick reminder, we shall be having our mass adoption training today by exactly 4 p.m. West African time. Guys, don't miss this meeting for anything. Don't forget that the community is still in the euphoria of jubilation of the much awaited love token that was launched yesterday. Guys, there has been a lot of merrymaking within the community. We bless God for that wonderful giant strike by the TBC admin and the TBC community at large. So, guys, come on board to the meeting this afternoon and meet with the just truly TBC admin by himself and to learn more and to hear other wonderful opportunities abound within the Kringle community. So, guys, by 4 p.m., make it a time, make it a date. Come on board and let's join. We have a minimum of 1,000 seats available. So, inform others and come on board. Come and meet, come and whatever your concern is, bring it to the TVC admin. So, guys, looking forward to see you at the meeting. Take care. Bye for now.